Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. So you was that happy that you had something on No Life Shack that you reacted in that type of way? Oh my God, bro. This is crazy, Michelle. Michelle, what do you have in your hand, Michelle? Is that a microphone or is that one of those little girly pencils, Michelle? You know the pencils that the girls used to have at school that had the little fluffy thing on the back, Michelle? Is that one of them? Now, why would you make a sound like that? You was that excited? You was that excited, right? You was that elated that you would make a weird sound like that, right? And you can even look on your face. You was even, like, damn, I made a weird sound. Yeah, Michelle. 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 Get a new mic, Michelle. Please get a new mic. Because that looks like a girly pencil. I'm just being honest with you, brother. It looks like a girly pencil. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to let y'all hear it again. And y'all be the judge. Y'all be the judge of why would he make a sound like that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my